Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Mayor lapha High Court Pretoria. Khona strategy that umnisi is using ne. Ufuna DPP to come to court. Uyambona ukuthi wenzani? Hi guys, he keeps on. The Antoka Kelly. Are you busy now? You can't be busy with one thing guys the whole day and be like, you know. Guys, things are just taking another direction in that court, you know. And we are going to umnisi upressela lento leyo ukuthi, you know what? We've been through this. Can we go through it again? Lento yokuthi uKelly akufunakala ngabe accused number 0 or accused number 6. Like what's going on? Uyayibona leyo nto le if she was a mastermind. Ayizokala lento kaKinindi and he keeps on throwing uKelly under the bus. But uKelly uyaphuma under the bus guys because I mean akaboshiwe ngithi. Like what is this? And do you know how it is with Ubalo? Ubalo akafuni those people mention, right? The people that were in the house akafuni leyo nto. Ubalo honestly need to stop. There is no contractual deletion AI decisive. You understand that like it was premeditated. Wage wafona bafonelana. Actually, they had a communication with Kelly. We know accused number 5 ufiso kuhlentuli around the 15th of October. Okay, asihlanganiseni nansi imali. Angimazi ukuthi Kininda isa sub guys la mali in the bags. Kininda guys uyayihlela lento because remember ukuthi accused number 2 uBongani Ntanzi waboshelwa some case actually yaNongoma which is never also specified. What was it? Namsengithi deletion. It wasn't even deletion, but there was the thing yokuthi uyinkabilizer of some sort and uyena actually or provider ibhamu. Guys, Ntanzi was 25 at the time. Just imagine. Ugo 31 now. I think about 31 or so by now. I'm just like, wenzeni nomntana abantu guys? At some stage I say you want to put into court he's a liar even with that job. He was lying, he was at work. Hey guys, you know what? This is just sad though. For me, especially accused number 2. Ngiyababona la abanye accused number especially 3, 4 and 5. I can see I've said that before. Also is all. So my thing is there to Kelly please. So Ubalo inje ifanele yele into yakhe. Wants to verify the question if Kelly and accused number 5 did have like did they have a communication umnisi ufuna nje leyo nto and you know how it is with umnisi. He's been going on ukuthi mina want facts. I just want facts mina abantu abayekela ukuthi or say stuff nje like they just sucking their thumb. You understand umuntu nje ngathi uncela isithupha sakathi athi akhuluma into ukubona leyo nto leyo. You know, it's just like no, can we just have facts? Now indaba zama here say la kaGininda vele into kaGininda kwazi we all know ukuthi inganekwane. Stories kaGininda guys all make believe. So this is actually embarrassing. At some stage, Urata Obesanwai kinda embarrassed. Like Sebelwa, a court when it started for a long time. Don't just deny because what you're talking about. It's like since a kindergarten of some sort. It's like what's going on? I shame Yabonanja court is actually a movie now straight. It's a lot. It's so childish. Ngapha umshololo naye is no show. I'm just like, Sisi, where are you? Like I said, guys, akhumbula ukuthi unenye case umshololo omunye usisi naye who unalived abantu bakubo for reinsurance. So the case gonna start on the 23rd of June, if I'm right, if I remember very well. Alo phansi futhi the phone numbers zaKelly. At some stage, Urasa was confused. Kelly had 8 numbers. Kelly didn't have 8 numbers. It's actually 4. But Kelly had told police I actually have just 2 numbers. And then it turns out she had 4 numbers. I asked how is that even going to help us? We started again and again that time to explain the story. You would go and then in the and then umnisike started after the whole thing. It's going to be guys and all of that. As a high ranking officer, I mean you are a brigadier, you know you don't need to do that. This thing yakho yoku wenza ama character evidence because now Kininda it was going on and on and on. As I know angifuni kube sengathi I'm defaming them these two ekhuluma kakhulu kodwa ngo accused number 1 was okay how I arrested them and all of that but who accused number 1 vele wayinento zakhe ama iyobisi and idakamizwa. That is why ngambophela logo and then ammunition as well and attempted deletions of certain people, you know. I don't know how to put it without defaming them. Or labo manje you are busy with character evidence. Busy ufuna ukusitshela ngalabantu ukuthi bayigebengu anyway of emgulukuduzi of nkabilizers. Please stop. Can you just stop with that? I'm telling you straight. Urata wathi uthazama interject no brothers lo. Ubaloyi I think today so mega 6 guys. I was just like, please calm down. Calm down. Your time is over. I've said to you ukuthi your time is over and izinqa zemfene iphandle amahla saphelile. Can you just stop it? Baloyi, you are just embarrassing, like you're embarrassing yourself. You've been this week basically. Selizile yaphela le week. Busy embarrassing yourself. Please stop. Abese team you busy manje ba characterize you just want me to believe good value the scabengos of the scabengos. Please stop. Stop it with those things. What I know, I didn't. Bo, brothers got that too much giving that. No, you remember I said I want to try and explain the whole thing, who they are and what. That's not what I asked you. That's not what I want to know. Ugwawan. Ngiconcentrate ukuthi nje kwenzakalani phela eDPP. And then when you decide ukuthi abantu fanele babosho, we are where we are because of you, angithi. So please tell me that. Ungalebele ngitshela ama character abo ukuthi actually they are mgulukudus. No. That's not what I want to hear. Ngininda took advantage that vele 2, 3, 4 and 5 were already convicted. So he just thought imgulukudu anyways is true. Ngizogijimisa mina imgulukudu and ngizoyivalela for life. Forever. Ngoba phela accused number 5 vele guys kunaleso story sokuthi una 3 life sentences angithi vele going on with him, you know. Umnisi the sarcasm after Kininda explained how 3 accused were identified, saying Muzi can identify wheat from trash. Tabanga guys, just like the narratives Zamnisi guys when he tries to explain something and the man just saying no Baloyi. How Baloyi is using those things now? I'm just like, Baloyi, please. And you know, Ukinenda, when he can't have his way, ufela beingani. Yabona ingane you can't give sweets. Uba that person. Yeah, when I'm just we must respect each other. No one even cared when you were saying that. No one even answered him. He just becomes a victim. Not get 636 works. 636 doesn't work, guys. Now, please. But in Jason, I mean, you go buy mastermind in Dejan. So I was still saying, Ubaloyi keeps on coming back from the dead and interject. Njalo afuna ukufunda izinto, and then Urata lets him to read the stuff, like you know those passages zabo and the codes and the law, basically the whole thing. One ban funda Baloyi funda. I'm just like, why? So Umnisi is pressing on Kelly being the mastermind, but has never been arrested. Mnisi talked about the foundation, which is obviously ENPA, no Kininda, angithi. Umnisi had to break down to the court using narrative of a house explaining indictment. The whole thing in the foundation, guys, awuvele nje uqhamuka usufaka iroof. Angithi sila sikhona baba ngawe. Are you not the person owasitshela ukuthi accused number 5 ibala because of you? So basically he was explaining the indictment. Rata was like trying to put Umnisi down, saying he will read it himself because we understand the very English. Guys, like where was that even coming from? We didn't even get it. Just like I'm opera. I've got to Rata. It's low 144 awufundweke. Brothers lo Ubaloyi. Umnisi is not playing with Urata and Baloyi, and they trying so hard to put him down and discredit him, sort of, you know, a very gaslighting comes like this whole week was big. That whole thing of Rata gaslighting Umnisi, and Umnisi doesn't care. He's like, I'm smart, I'm not dumb, and I am going to push through. Nale case, whether ni now no Baloyi, bigger than me, I don't give. Umnisi is on the tip. I'm just like, this guy, he is so smart. And the person in the NPA, it's just like, where did they even come up with this narrative? Are you not working for them? Even you, Brigadier Kininda at the time, and Baloyi. And I've said it many times, once Ubaloyi xabana nobaloyi ungabe ukhuluma nge-NPA ukhulume ne-Kelly's crew. You know Kelly's crew is the other people, Ntomzodwa, Olongwe, Mthoko. Please don't talk about those people. That they must come to court. Baxabana noMngoma Zulu, like uMngoma Zulu if akazange amgibele le day ubaloyi ngeke azaphinde. Hayibo manje nje wakhuluma nje ngalabo bantu uzoxabana nobaloyi. Ubaloyi akafuni. He doesn't even want you to mention Kelly. Don't mention anything. And angazi ukuthi Kelly into naye. Why does he keep on mentioning Kelly? Uhambisa isikhathi. Ayikho futhi into ayenzayo. And then abesethi ubaloyi, no, you can't be asking ulokumbuza into eyodwa futhi ulokumbuza lento yase NPA in athi lalela. Listen Omnisi, listen to me. I will ask this guy every question I see fit. Yangizwa yini ukuthi ngithini? I will do that. Cause angithi we are here where we are today because of this guy. Labantu aba-5 bala because of this guy. So this guy ngizomubuza imibuzo. Le mina ngidecidile ukuthi ngifuna ukumbuza yona. Asangithi all the 5 accused are here on the dock because of this guy. So manje what must happen? What must I do? Also I must ask him because when we decided when abaloyi. So I just wanted to say ukuthi you know what yabona uGinenda wahlala phansi lento wayihlanganisa wathi okay wena noNgoma ungene noNgoma case yakho wena accused number 2. So wena accused number 1 now unendaba zakho zama ammunition, your ziyobisi's of Dakwamizwa's and attempted deletion. So ngizombonisa ke mina ke angisaphuma ngaki ejele angisayindawo wathi nje mina I will pin them down. I'm a brigadier at the time ngathi wayi colonel ubrothers lo abathi uGinenda. This deletion ya Senzomeyiwa ke shame it's gonna be yours, and that's exactly what happened, guys. This is why we are where we are, and they had nothing to do with it. And you know what I was thinking about today? I'm looking at uRoni Sibanda, Dr. Roni Sibanda. Ngithi hey wazi wayifunda imikhubo emibi usebenza under ubaloyi. Ubaloyi is like your mentor type of thing, you know. Usebenza naye. Yes, your career is doomed already because ubaloyi is actually done. Even him after this case is done, so he's stuck. Umngani lo uRoni Sibanda nalo baba lo ongekho right, who was also naye allegedly kwathiwa i-cousin kaChiko. Kuningi unento eningi kanjani ubaloyi igandane zakhe zango-1912 ngaphandle kokuthi ingane yakhe yadubuleka nge-revolver eyayisala endlini and i-revolver naye abantu ubaloyi. So manje sekunaleyo nto futhi ukuthi leso spam could have been cabanga ingane yakhe ngathi yashona ngabo 2004 na. And manje kunaleso story sokuthi leyo revolver could have been yona le. Yiko engafuni lutho ubaloyi. Yabona ubaloyi nje ungabokhuluma naye ngeindaba zayo zeyibhamu and stuff like that and NPA and Kelly and them coming to court. Please uzoxala nobaloyi. So ngizoyingime lapho guys for today. I appreciate you guys so much. Nginthanda over. Thank you.